Time to eat! Yum! Thank you, Mom!
So delicious!
Meow! 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 There's something out there. The window. Keep close to me, little ones. It's cold out there. So much snow. Oh, yes, but we are warm inside.
Too young to go out.
Let us go.
Very well. Be home before midnight.
We got the sweaters. Help, she's so cold. We brought these. Hurry, put them on back.